Hello everyone. Ribbon chart. A ribbon chart is a stacked line chart that visualizes data over time or any ordered dimension. It's useful for comparing the distribution of a measure across multiple categories or over time. Each line in the ribbon represents a category, and the thickness of the ribbon at each point indicates the value of the measure. Then next, waterfall chart. A waterfall chart is a column chart that shows how an initial value is affected by intermediate positive or negative values, leading to a final value. It's commonly used for illustrating financial data, such as profit and loss analysis or cash flow statements. The columns represent changes in value, and the cumulative effect is shown as the columns stack upon each other. Then next, funnel chart. A funnel chart is a specialized chart type that represents stages in a process. It's often used in sales and marketing to visualize the progression of leads or customers through different stages of a sales pipeline. The chart typically starts with a wide bar at the top representing the initial stage and narrows down to smaller bars at subsequent stages. Then next, scatter chart. A scatter chart displays individual data points as dots on a two-dimensional plane. It's useful for showing the relationship between two continuous variables and identifying patterns or correlations in the data. Each dot represents a single data point, with the x-axis and y-axis representing different variables. Then next, pie chart. A pie chart is a circular chart divided into slices to illustrate numerical proportions. It's commonly used to show the composition of a whole, where each slice represents a percentage or proportion of the total. Pie charts are effective for visualizing categorical data with relatively few categories. Then next, donut chart. A donut chart is similar to a pie chart but with a hole in the center, giving it a donut-like appearance. It's used for the same purpose as a pie chart, to show the composition of a whole, but with the added benefit of displaying additional information in the center. Donut charts can be more space efficient than pie charts while still conveying the same information. Now you can observe how this are behaving by changing the properties.